Good morning.
Good morning.
We're coming to you from our tourists at the back of Uptown Grill. We're hanging off the stern right now. We just finished taking off the Milwaukee.
So
and
sticky.
The flag. It's remnants of it. So we could put on Chicago. Chee chee chee. Chee chee chee. Yeah. So we haven't said hello and given you a life update in a minute. But what is time? Because you're watching this on video, so you don't even know.
We don't even know when this is actually gonna get put into computer space.
Yeah, because the editing process is a long one. Anyhow, so live. So we are here, midsummer in Chicago, about to head out to Fire Alchemy, and have been just slamming on the boat projects. And I don't think we actually recorded very much of it, but we have been putting in like 8 to 12-hour days on. What have we been doing?
Plumbing.
Adding in a hand pump and putting in a new sink. Lane Bones did all that.
I gotta fix some today because I put the hot and cold water wrong on the handles. So today, one of the missions is to finish that, switch it back, tighten up some of the hose clamps, and we want to add in a stopper valve because the water, when we put the water in the tank, it used to go into the bottom of the tank and go up and only fill up the 40-gallon tank. We connected the 30-gallon tank with the 40-gallon tank by switching around a bunch of the hoses. So now our water intake goes to the top of the 40-gallon tank and slow fills with gravity the 30-gallon tank. So that 40 gets full faster and then water goes everywhere. So we need to put a stopper valve on the 40 so it has time to fill up the 30. We also did Teak.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's so much that goes into the Teak, and they call it bright work. And I was like, why do they call it bright work? But now that the Teak is all done, it's all so bright. It's so pretty, and it's all water sealed. Teak is an amazing wood.
Teak is water sealed. When we come back, we have to go around and do a bead of caulking around all of the Teak, particularly because one of the holes we found is because someone drilled underneath the Teak tow rail and never filled in that hole, or didn't fill it in well. So we did the Teak first so we could go around and do a bead of caulking, and then we just haven't gotten back to that actually.
Yeah.
Right now would actually probably be good to do that.
Actually, we should do that today because it's sunny. So doing all these projects, just like you do for a house, you know, you gotta wait for the right weather window when you want the things to dry, like the Teak and the caulk, you want them to dry when it's dry.
If it's gonna rain that day,
it's over.
It's gonna get messed up.
Yeah.
And all your hard work will need to be redone
and taken off. So we've been playing and laughing and bringing a lot of joy into all the work that we've been doing, and a lot of like troubleshooting too. The starter on the engine has been acting funny. It wouldn't shift forward into gear, into forward, because there was no transmission oil. So this is just a funny thing to realize that like Uptown Girl has been a summer boat, in and out, and has not necessarily been like prepared for a long journey or to be like going on long trips, so on passages.
Yep, so we put one quart of transmission fluid in to make sure there wasn't a steady leak, because we don't know where all the fluid went. And it didn't leak out the last time we went, so we're gonna go put in the second quart today, just so it's in there. And then it's falling over. Falling. Ooh. Into the water and outdoors.
Yeah, and
also our dinghy, the float valve, or the plug, it's supposed to be a one-way valve, so water can drain out while it's up in the air, but water won't come in. But water comes in.
See that? It's definitely water coming in. So we are like floating in a little bit of water right now.
Bathtub.
So we got to figure that out, but it's also not super high on the priority list, I suppose.
Oh, so many things. Neither was taking off Milwaukee.
But it felt good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, life together on the sailboat has been lovely, and I think it's my favorite place. I've lived here in Chicago, truly. Just to be out here in the city park where it's really quiet during the week.
Like now. Yeah. It's just us and the ducks.
Yeah, it's a Tuesday. Us and the ducks. Oh, those ducks are so cute. Other things we did, we've been like beautifying and putting in little coats of paint and prepping and like gathering supplies and things that we're going to be needing for other projects. So it's been good. It's been really good. But now we take a little break on Uptown Girl stuff to go to Fire Alchemy, and then Lane goes to Alaska to deliver a boat.
Yes. Dreaming about it last night. Very excited.
And then Lane goes to a flow festival.
Yes.
And I go to a family reunion in Mackinac.
Mackinac.
And then we come back for more boat adventures.
Woo!
Yeah, it's really fun.
Summer 2024. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew.